everyone, my name is Buthaina Isa.
Hello everyone, my name is Grace.
My name is Rayan. I am a student in the Newcomer Youth Engagement Program.
My name is Alima Isa. I am from East Africa, Congo. I have been here to Canada almost 3 years, and then I work Delta Hotel downtown, and my work is housekeeping.
The Newcomer Youth Engagement Program has partnered with Tourism Saskatchewan by using a variety of their resources. And quite a few of our students have completed certifications through Saskatchewan Tourism.
Talking about new things was so helpful for me. And Mr. Storm and Miss Al, they were like, let's go learn about jobs, new words, new skills, new challenging for me. Everything was perfect actually.
So they teach us to learn in English, and then after that they say, hey, there is Delta Hotel needs people to work there. If you are interested, so we're gonna help you guys. You don't need to be shy or be afraid for anything. If you say yes, they're gonna go to website and they apply for you, and if they call you for interview, they take us like everything. So it was easy for me.
When my employees are teaching others how to do their own job, I find it really elevates the level of their job as well, having to explain the very basics of something to someone and just have the smiling, happy faces around. All the students that we bring in here, they're really grateful to have a position, and they're all very eager to learn, and it kind of breathes new life into our workday when we can share that with others.
It is very good because you have experience, you get job, because you work very hard.
I enjoyed conversation with the people and helping them what they needed.
So advice I'd give to other employers is to definitely jump in and take on students. Hospitality is already so dynamic, so being able to get excited about what you're doing every day and showcasing that to someone new just makes you more inspired and excited about your role. And there's so much to learn in hospitality. Every single day is different, so bringing on new challenges is always really fun.
Before that class, I wouldn't be that much successful, like for real. That class was awesome.